Softr versus FlutterFlow. Which one is better? Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into a detailed comparison between Softr and FlutterFlow, which are two powerful platforms for building apps without writing a ton of code. Whether you're a non-developer or someone with some technical experience, this breakdown will help you decide which tool best suits your needs. So before we begin, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. So let's start by understanding what each tool is designed for. Software is a no-code platform made for users who want to build apps quickly without any programming experience. It's perfect for simple internal tools, client portals, dashboards, and even marketplaces. You can connect it with Airtable, Google Sheets, or other data sources and launch something functional in just a few hours. FlutterFlow, in contrast, is a low-code app development platform that leverages Google's Flutter framework. It's ideal for building more complex and feature-rich applications, including cross-platform mobile apps and web applications. It supports custom logic, backend integration, and even allows you to export your source code. So, who should use which? Choose Softr if you're not from a technical background, you're building something fast like an internal dashboard, MVP, or lightweight client portal. You don't need a mobile application published on app stores. You prefer visual building and easy drag and drop elements. But keep in mind customization is limited in Softr, especially when it comes to complex logic or unique designs. Also, Softr doesn't support mobile app publishing at all. Go for FlutterFlow if you plan to build a fully functional mobile or web application. You want to deploy to the Apple App Store or Google Play Store, you're comfortable learning some technical concepts or already know a bit of programming. You want full control over UI, UX, and backend logic. Flutter's Flow Visual Builder is powerful, but it has a steeper learning curve, especially compared to Softr. Now let's talk about some of the feature highlights. Softr's highlights are that it has 100% no-code interface, seamless Airtable and Google Sheets integration, pre-built blocks for authentication, payments, lists, and more, easy deployment for internal tools and landing pages. Limitations are there is no mobile app publishing, less flexibility in terms of design and logic. So, FlutterFlow has built-in native iOS and Android apps plus web apps. It connects to Firebase, REST APIs, and other backend services. And also, you can add custom functions and business logic, export full Flutter code. And it has some drawbacks that it requires some learning if you're a beginner, not entirely no code. Understanding concepts like data modeling, API setup, and UI states will help. So, which one should you choose? Use Softr if you're building something simple, internal, or for quick delivery. If you don't need advanced functionality or mobile development, it's the easiest way to go live fast, no code, no stress. Use FlutterFlow if your goal is to develop a complete app, one that's scalable, interactive, and ready for publishing to app stores. It's built for growth and offers serious power under the hood as long as you're willing to learn the ropes. And that's a wrap on this comparison between Softr and FlutterFlow. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.